Recap in daily candles on Monday, August 25, the price closed with a red candle, and the next day, Tuesday, August 26, the price closed with a clear bullish engulfing because this bar involved the previous candle completely, and this is a clear bullish engulfing in daily candle. This represents power to keep buying more stock. And the next day, Wednesday, August 27, the price opened little bit above the previous day. Nonetheless, the price went up and closed with and closed right here. What could I do in this day at the end of the close? The best way is do not buy for the next day. Instead, wait for the next day because every day represents a new day. For that reason, if you are attentive to buy a stock for the next day, anything can happen. The price can go down or up. For that reason, always take care of your capital. And third, 28 the price closed with all-time high right here. I'm gonna put a resistance level right here, but in red because this is the all-time high. For that reason, I'm gonna put a red line right here. Right here at 649.48 the price. It is the all-time high. And on Friday, August 29, the price opened with gap down and keep going down. Once the price hit this level, make a rebound, but close with a red candle. Me personally, I like to see daily candle to to know how to interpret the 5 minute candle because the only one good trade in this week was on Tuesday because the price closed with bullish engulfing. This means I must take action to buy in long and stall off below in case the price goes down. The next day, on Thursday, on Wednesday, the price closed with a green candle, and that's it. Remember, for the next week, we got a clear resistance level right here. I know the next week, the, the stock or the stock market will bring a lot of opportunity to enter a lot of business because um, with this business you can do part time and you got find find job you can do in the morning at night, but always try to involve in the business for yourself to create more income, to create more cash for your family, for yourself, because this is amazing business. You can do everywhere. There is no obstacle. You can do in the park. Right now, as I record the video, I'm in my room, in the comfort of my room, doing this video for you. And this, one more time, this is a privileged business because Once you got the knowledge, once you got your study, when you got your discipline, you can make money every single day. But it takes time, it takes effort, it takes discipline, it takes commitment to be consistently profitable in this business. You got to, in the beginning, follow the process of read the chart, write it down your trading plan, and so on, so forth. Thanks for watching.